Okay, someone had asked before about the TW shift lever that I did. The original lever was bent by the previous owner, and I put on the IMS shift lever from Amazon. I think it was called the IMS Outlaw. The question was asked is, with bigger boots, bigger feet, is it still easy to shift? I wear the Fox bomber boots. I don't have a problem with it.
I wear a size 14 in motocross boots, but I'm normally a size 13.
So Caboose is now going to demonstrate that you can indeed shift. Good job. Now keep your foot under the lever. Keep your foot under the lever. So if you see with the boot under the shifter, it's still got a pretty good bite. So if a fella really wanted, a lot more coverage, maybe he could weld a bar. But the way it sits, as far as it comes out, it's still a pretty good, comfortable ride, even with the aftermarket foot peg I put on. Another Amazon purchase.
I know the video quality isn't the best of the ride and the shifting, but I hope it answers some questions. Most aftermarket shifters are going to be better than stock. Caboose likes to wear the bigger motocross boots, and he has not had a problem yet on any of our bikes. Apart from changing the foot pegs right away, we've never had to adjust our riding gear according to the bike. Well, that's all for now. I hope this information was useful. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.